Welcome to Chinese Checkers, an online browser game made with Node.js, Socket.io, and the Createjs library. Let's get started with the basics of the menu and matchmaking. As you can see, before playing, players must enter a name, a desired timer setting, and a number of players. These settings will be used to match players based on game preferences. Leaving the settings as random signifies no game preference and will put you in the first available game. Throughout the planning and development process, we identified three key aspects that we wanted to include in our game that we believed would make the game more fun and the gameplay more meaningful. The first of these three elements was a beautiful, sleek UI. No game is fun without a well-polished and intuitive interface, so we focused a lot on making our graphics appealing and our controls as close to user expectations as possible. All of the actions in the game can be performed with controls as intuitive as our base drag-and-drop movement system. The second goal that we wanted to achieve was adding a social aspect to the game in order to make winning more satisfying. To accomplish this, we added a beautifully animated chat system. The last and possibly most important game quality that we focused on was challenging, strategic, and variable gameplay. This was largely accomplished by the game of Chinese Checkers itself, because there are dozens of strategies that can be used, from chaining to blockading to anything else. No two games are exactly the same, especially if players switch up the number of players on the board. When players are ready for even more of a challenge, they can join a timed game in which they risk losing if they don't think and move quickly. Altogether, we are very happy with the way the project came out and the new technologies and techniques that we learned throughout development.